Good morning. There has been an issue or something like a trending topic regarding a certain coffee shop in Iloilo City and a certain big female reviewing the taste, an honest review of that certain vlogger, I think, or influencer regarding the taste of their food on a certain coffee shop in Iloilo City. Well, if you want to be popular, good or bad publicity is still a gain for that person because of the number of views. And, you know, people in Iloilo tend to overact or overhype things. Who who cares about the taste of that coffee shop anyway? I'm not a fan of that coffee shop, and it's certain that it's just a business entity, and it's not about the general Iloilo Iloilo restaurants in Iloilo. So it's just a certain coffee shop. It's about a review, an honest review of influencer and that coffee shop. So your reaction, if upon watching it, is really not that of concern to the influencer because she just want some reviews and many views. So definitely for the people of Iloilo, there are much more concerns, like for example the recurrence of flooding during high tide and during heavy rains, and of course the garbage collection, the dense heavy traffic during rush hour, the traffic management, the road signage, the spaghetti wires of electricity in some areas, and then the water supply. So why concern yourself regarding the image of a coffee shop since it's just a business entity? Anyone is entitled of their own opinion regarding the taste of the food. Simple as that. So it doesn't concern you. It doesn't concern anybody else. So why be affected? All right? And me, I'm not affected. I'm just really not into it. And somebody asked me, many people asked me about it. And to answer all their queries, to give an opinion, so I made this video. So shout out to the people of Iloilo. Just fix the potholes, the drainage, and everything. So and yeah, that coffee shop says some of the fanatics of that coffee shop said that it was a spot for ideas, a spot for thesis making, a spot for that. Well, you have libraries in your university. Why spend more on having a coffee shop? Well, you have many places to go. So why defend the coffee shop? It's just business anyway. Same as with the vlogger, it's just for the views anyway. So that's it. That's my opinion on it. To all my friends who are asking about my opinion on that certain topic, well, that's my opinion, and I'm entitled to that. Definitely, I don't really care if that the vlogger or that coffee shop has its own settlement issues. I set away myself from that. I distance myself away from that because I'm not affected. I currently not in Iloilo, and Iloilo City has more problems compared to the taste of that coffee shop or that vlogger. So find yourself and make yourself more useful of your time. Stop commenting on social media, and that's it. That's my opinion on that. To all my friends asking me about my opinion on that, basically that's it.